What's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to talk about how you can still make a tremendous amount of cash, millions even, without having a large following. Hey there, Tanner Chidester, and if you're looking to build an online business, you are in the right place. Now in today's video, I want to specifically talk to those individuals who are worried that they don't have a big presence online. So first thing I want you to understand is that there are a lot of individuals out there who have massive followings who are dirt broke and they don't make anything, but they do get a likes and comments on their photos. So the first thing you're gonna need to decide is, do you care about popularity or do you care about making money? Because those are two different things. Now, they can sometimes coincide. You can be popular and make a lot of money, but typically what you'll find is that a lot of the people you look up to or think are making a lot really don't make that much, because there's a difference between being popular and then taking that following, that crowd, and getting them to buy products. Okay, so you may have some outliers, let's say Bradley Martin, Paige Hathaway, Christian Guzman, millions of followers with very good audiences that will buy just about anything they put out. But on the other hand, they're the 1%. There's a lot of people who have millions of followers who make very little. So something that I can tell you from my own experience is that my first year of business, I didn't post on social media for over a year and a half. Why? Because it wasn't generating me revenue. What generated me revenue was two things: reaching out to individuals, right? And running ads, because the ads brought in the traffic. I would tell them about my offer, I'd get them to buy. And when I learned that, it was crazy, because I realized, wow, social media isn't quite as important as I thought in terms of posting content and gaining followers. All you really needed was some presence and then have a great offer that you could run ads to. So for someone out there who's going, Tanner, I don't have a big following, how do I get clients? Step number one, reach out to any followers you do have, okay? What little followers you have, reach out, tell them about your offer, try to convert them. Step two, you can do cold outreach. Cold outreach is literally just going on hashtags, Facebook groups, anywhere you can think of where your ideal avatar will be, and reach out to them. And then finally, get to paid traffic, because once you learn how to spend money on an ad, get them to click and convert, you will start making a tremendous amount of cash very, very quickly. Now, it's easier said than done, of course, but what I do is for every dollar I spend in a month, on average, I make 4 or more back. So for example, if my goal is to make $1 million a month, I know that if I spend $250,000 on average, running it through my specific system that I help clients with, so if you're interested, there's links down below, that is what makes me predictable income. And so I spend $250,000, I make $1 million, there's $750,000 left, I pay my team out, and then I get to keep the rest. So when it's all said and done, I'm making quite a bit of money and I'm able to retire at a very young age. So that is how you can get around it. You don't have to have a massive following. It takes forever to get one anyways. It may not even work. Spend your time building a great system, a great product, and selling that through paid advertising. If you have questions, make sure to drop them down below, give it a thumbs up, and make sure to hit the bell button and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.